Hi, I am Jayashree. Today we are explaining about our project Automatic Medicine Prescription Reader and Dispenser.
Today I am explain about automatic medicine prescription reader. Introduction to reduce the manpower and shopping in pharmacy. Normally when we go to pharmacies, we must wait for a long time to get our medicines. Hence this project will be concentrated on avoiding the problem. The purpose of experiment is delivery to the customer in minimum time.
I am Vijay Kumar, team member of Automatic Medicine Prescription Reader and Dispenser. We are see about major component used in our project. First we are seeing controller module, Raspberry Pi and Arduino board. Raspberry Pi is operating voltage is 5 volt. It is having 26 GPIO pins available. Arduino specification is operating voltage 5 volt and it is having 14 digital IO pins and 6 analog input pins available. Next we are seeing input modules, on off rotary switch, e-stop button, camera, barcode scanner and TFT display. Next we see output module, printer RP203 thermal receipt printer, stepper motor NIMA 17 and servo motor MG90S.
Hi, I am Paul Kumar. I am the team member of Automatic Medicine Prescription and Dispenser. Today we are see about the picture working process in our project. First we want to insert the patient ID card. Then the patient ID card insert means the barcode scanner will scan the barcode and get the information and it will show in the TFT display. The prescription will insert. Once the prescription insert in this USB web camera, the camera will capture the image and it will generate the capture and it will generate the text in OCR method. It will show in display. Then the display will show the QR code for sending the amount. And we want to pay the amount in that QR code. Then only the glucose will dispense outside. Here we will take the glucose. Then the receipt will come out. We want to take the receipt and we want to go to medical shop and we want to buy the medicines.
I am Rajesh. I am the team member, Automatic Medicine Prescription Reader and Dispenser. Today we are going to see our project working. This is the patient ID card.
Here it will ask to insert patient ID card. I'll insert the ID card. Then the barcode scanner, it will read the barcode and take the information. It shows that information in display. Next it asks insert your prescription. Then you insert your prescription in reader section. With the help of USB camera to take a picture of prescription to convert the text to help of OCR method. The result shown in display shows how many tablets and price of the tablets. Then it displays the QR code of our payment. After finish the payment, it sends text message to the pharmacy. And it also shows the dispensing operation in the display. If the payment is verified, it starts to dispense the glucose. Finally, the printer prints name, specification of the tablets and token number. We need to collect the receipt from the printer. Collect the tablets from the tablet section.